Where are you going? Where are you going? Come over here. What are you doing? What are you doing? This is Siren. She's a blue-fronted Amazon. We got her because she was a part of a breeding program at a zoo, but was never successful in that program. So she was booted from it. Her wings are not clipped. She doesn't have the ability to fly, though, because she's missing tail feathers, as you can see back there. So she doesn't have brakes in the sky, because they'll use their tail feathers like this to brake in the air. So she's not capable of flying. This is, like I said, she's a blue-fronted Amazon or a turquoise-fronted Amazon. So she'll live in the Amazon, which is very cool, but also really tough for those wild birds because of what's happening to the Amazon lately. There's lots of illegal burning that happens in the Amazon. We are farming a ton of resources out of the Amazon, and we're losing a ton of that habitat for these animals. So to help animals like Siren, number one, reuse more, consume less, is a cool way to start in your life, whether it's like thrifting clothes instead of buying new ones, or reusing things or fixing things before you buy new stuff. And also, don't get parrots as pets. A lot of people take birds out of the wild to sell in the pet trade. It happens less often now than it used to, but it still happens. And that has harmed wild populations of birds, especially birds like this. This is Mia. Mia is an African gray. Her species is oat drum. Mia! Can you step up? Thank you. Mia is a Congo African gray. This species of bird is endangered. One of the reasons is habitat loss, and another reason is because of the pet trade. So a lot of people think that, thank you for the sub. A lot of people think that these birds are going to be really fun, really chill, really cute pets, but in reality they can be super, super loud, like 130 decibels loud. They can chew through wood. And they live 50 to 60 years, and so it's just not something that most people can have in their home. Hey. So a lot of people get parrots as pets thinking it'll be fun and cute, and they'll dance and sing and then, be best friends forever, and then they can't have them in their homes because they do stuff like this. Our houses are made out of wood. This is what parrots do to wood.
Just resubscribed for 3 months. Hi MIA. Hi Siren, less than 3.
Thank you for the sub. So birds like these macaws, Tico is in there, big blue wings. Tico's a macaw. Tico was somebody's pet, and then they dropped her in a box. Step up. Can you step up? No. They dropped Tico in a box outside of a humane society because they got her as a decided that they couldn't have her as a pet anymore. So they left her at a humane society in a box, which is super sad. But birds like these is like these smaller birds, you know, times whatever fold, however much bigger they are. They can break your fingers. They can take your fingers off. They can scream crazy loud, and they just need a ton of enrichment and a ton of stuff to destroy, because that's their nature, is foraging. We just don't recommend any parrots as pets. So yeah, don't get parrots as pets and use less stuff. Is a chicken the best pet pet bird to have? Yeah, probably. Can I pet? Can I pet? Oh, thanks.
Soft Pixie just subscribed.
Thank you for the sub. Okay, like, so cute, and you're like, oh wait, I want one. Mia's super loud too. Not as loud as Siren. Siren's way worse, but one of the worst things, that's her explosion noise. One of the worst sounds that Mia makes is like smoke detector alarm that is out of battery. You guys know that like super high pitched beep? She caught onto that and she'll just do that. Imagine having that, but you can't fix it. All the time. Smoke detector out of battery for 60 years. Hey, don't touch me. Hey, get your foot off my foot. That's not funny, that's expensive. What is that? What are you doing? What are you doing? The heck? That's not yours. Here, experiment. I leave the phone here. I leave the mic here. I turn around. You listen to Mia. When people aren't looking at her, and she won't realize that you guys are, oh, that was good. She won't realize that you guys are people. Chat, don't fall off of here. And don't let Mia see you either. She'll eat you. What was that? Oh my god, look out. Chat, you're gonna die. You're dead, you're dead, you're dead. No mercy. Oh. Mia? What are you doing? That's not nice.